Today, I'll show you the easiest ways to share an Excel file through OneDrive in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident sending that spreadsheet to coworkers, classmates, or friends without the frustration of tangled email chains or worrying whether everyone's on the same page. Let's dive right in and explore a few straightforward methods you can use, depending on where you like to work, inside the Excel app on the web or even right from your File Explorer. First, let's start inside the Excel desktop app since that's where many of us spend our time. Open up your Excel file and look to the top right corner. You'll see a big Share button. Go ahead and click it. It might feel like just another button, but this is actually your gateway to teamwork. You'll get a prompt, click Share once more. Now it's time to decide who should receive the file. Type in your recipients' email addresses or just select their names if they're already in your contacts. This makes sure your file goes exactly where you want it, no more, no less. Before you send, take a moment to consider permissions. You'll see a little pencil icon. Clicking this lets you set what your recipients can do. If they should be able to make changes, choose Can Edit. If you just want them to look, select Can View. Think of it this way. Can Edit is like handing someone your notebook with a pen, and Can View is like showing them the pages behind glass. Both have their place, so choose what's best for your situation. Once you're all set, hit Send. That's it, the link wings its way to your chosen people, making real collaboration possible in moments. But what if you're working outside of Excel? Maybe you've saved your file in OneDrive and want to share it from there or through File Explorer. That's just as simple and sometimes even a little faster. Right-click on your Excel file. In the menu, choose Share. From here, you get a few sharing methods. Let's break them down. If you want to send the file directly by email, just type the recipient's name or email and click Send. This feels a lot like handing someone a secure envelope with the file inside. Alternatively, maybe you need to share the file via chat or a platform like Teams or Slack. In that case, click Copy Link and you'll have a ready-to-share URL. Just paste it wherever your team communicates. If you need more control, look for the gear or settings icon before you finalize sending the link. Here, you can set an expiration date or add a password. Think of it like putting a timer or a lock on your file's door, giving you stronger security for sensitive spreadsheets. Don't worry if you need a moment to adjust these settings. Taking your time here means your data stays safe. And if you want the absolute fastest view-only sharing, here's a quick trick. From File Explorer, right-click the file, hover over OneDrive, and choose Copy Link. Instantly, you have a link that by default lets anyone in your organization, or anyone with the link depending on your OneDrive settings, view your Excel file. This is perfect for sharing meeting notes, reports, or resources where everyone just needs to see, not edit. And there you have it, 3 streamlined ways to share an Excel file through OneDrive, whether you're a desktop devotee, a web user, or someone who loves quick shortcuts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to tap that like button. And if you have questions or run into any roadblocks, let me know in the comments. I'm always here to help. Be sure to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.